The service electronic parking brake warning is a common issue affecting Jeep Renegade models from 2015 to 2023. This warning indicates a malfunction in the electronic parking brake system, which replaced traditional mechanical handbrakes in modern vehicles. The electronic parking brake system consists of 6 main components. The electronic control module manages brake engagement and disengagement. Actuator motors located on the rear brake calipers physically apply braking force. The brake switch detects brake pedal position, while the EPB switch provides dashboard control for manual operation. The wiring harness connects all components together, while sensors monitor system status and wheel position to ensure proper operation. The electronic parking brake system automatically engages in several scenarios. It activates when the vehicle is turned off, when the driver exits the vehicle with the seatbelt unbuckled, or when manually activated via the dashboard switch. In emergency situations, pulling the EPB switch while driving will activate the system as an emergency brake, providing additional safety functionality. Based on 2024 to 2025 data, there are 5 primary causes of EPB warnings. Actuator motor failure accounts for 45% of cases, typically occurring in vehicles with over 60,000 miles. Wiring harness issues represent 25% of cases, often due to corrosion or road debris damage. Brake pad wear causes 15% of warnings, as the system prevents engagement when pads are too thin. Software glitches account for 10%, more common in 2015 to 2017 models. Brake fluid issues represent the remaining 5% of cases. Diagnostic trouble codes help pinpoint the exact problem. C2200 indicates an actuator motor circuit malfunction, the most common code. C2201 signals an EPB switch circuit failure, while C2202 represents a system communication error. C2203 indicates an actuator position sensor fault, while C2204 represents a force sensor malfunction. These codes guide technicians to the specific component requiring attention, making diagnosis more efficient and accurate. Before attempting any repairs, start with basic diagnostic checks to identify the root cause of your EPB warning. The first DIY fix to try is a system reset. This procedure recalibrates the EPB system and often resolves software-related issues. If the system reset doesn't work, try a battery reset. This clears all stored error codes and forces a complete system recalibration. For emergency situations when the EPB won't release, use the manual release tool found in your spare tire kit. This is a temporary fix only. When DIY methods fail, professional repairs may be necessary. Here are the typical costs for common EPB repairs in 2024. Technical Service Bulletin 05-001-24 addresses software issues in 2020 to 2023 Renegades. Regular maintenance and software updates can prevent most EPB failures.